Space can be a problem for a lot of people when trying to plan out and install your system. Amplifier placement is crucial to your new system. You need plenty of space around it for making the connections and for heat dissipation. A lot of you guys have smaller cars or just want a little more power. Some of you ride motorcycles. So where do you put your amp if you're in this category? Generally, they do take up a lot of space. Soundstream has a solution. The ST4.1000D Stealth Series 4-channel amplifier. This micro amplifier has dimensions of 6.5 inches in length, 1.5 inches in height, and 3 1/8 inches in depth. Plus it only weighs 1.5 pounds, hence the name Stealth. It has minimal power requirements, an ultra micro footprint, and great sound quality. Ideal places to mount this are spots like under your car seats, mounted underneath the rear deck, or even on your motorcycle or off-road ATV. It's about the size of a typical factory amp, so it'll fit just about anywhere, but it brings a lot more power than those OEM bricks. The Stealth is ideal for up to 4 speakers, or you can even bridge a subwoofer. Soundstream claims that this mini amp does 90 watts RMS by 4 channels at 4 ohms. But in the manual they wrote 900 watts, so we'll just go ahead and assume that was a typo. They also rated at 125 watts RMS by 4 channels at 2 ohms and 250 watts by 2 bridged at 4 ohms. We're not even going to address the 1000 watt peak power claim, alright? The Stealth is a Class D full range amplifier, so it's efficient and runs cool. Let's run some tests of our own. We set the amplifier up with a 4 ohm dummy load, single channel, 14.4 volts, and a 1 kilohertz test tone. We were able to get around 74 to 76 watts RMS when it began clipping, a little bit short of the specs in the manual. Then we set up a 2 ohm dummy load. With the 40 hertz test tone and the amplifier became unstable. We were unable to get consistent readings without the amplifier utilizing one of its protection circuits, likely the overload circuit. So at least we know that works. We recommend not running this amplifier below 3 ohms. To test this, we set up a dual 4 ohm subwoofer wired in parallel and tested the output. At 71 hertz, our subwoofer had an impedance of 3 ohms, and we picked up about 90 to 100 watts RMS. At 20 hertz, our subwoofer had an impedance of 2.8 ohms, and we picked up about 70 watts before cutting out. Our final recommendation, drive this amp at 4 ohms. It's more than powerful for most stock or aftermarket speakers. Aesthetically, they could have made the amplifier look a little better. It kind of looks like a Billabong bumper sticker. But this amp isn't meant to be seen, so a bumper sticker looks fine with us. Soundstream made this amplifier really easy to install and comes with everything you need. There's a 6-pin harness for power, ground, and remote turn-on, an 8-pin speaker output harness for front and rear speakers. There are 2 other harnesses, one for speaker level and one for low-level inputs for the signal from the source. The amplifier has front and rear channel gain control plus a crossover switch and control over the high pass and low pass filters. The audio input has signal sense remote turn on, so you can use it with a factory or aftermarket head unit where a remote turn on signal is difficult to find. The amplifier was designed with a hybrid aluminum alloy heatsink for optimum heat dissipation. Direct, short, thermal, and overload circuits protect the amplifier from damage. The Soundstream Stealth is simple, compact, and can flex. Get yours with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com, as well as the rest of your car audio and video needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new, like this video, join the conversation below, and turn on those video notifications. Thanks for watching.